curls are still holding up. Love this already.
Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to take my 2-week-old rod set and turning this matted, dreadful mess. Look at that. This was the previous rod set that I did. It lasts for a little over 2 weeks, and now it's done. I was at the beach, so this is me after wearing it in a ponytail and everything else. You can kind of see where the little spiral rods were in there. But I'm going to turn this into a whole nother hairstyle because I got things to do and I want to get this looking like somebody. And it's still got body and everything. It's just tangled and matted and a mess. So, and I broke my nails, so I'm going to see if I can work around it and make stuff happen. So here we go. 10 minutes, maybe. About 10 minutes. Not using a lot of products. Just kind of refreshing what's already been in my hair. I am not worried about making cute, neat parts or none of that, because I don't have time for any of that. I have my mister. This is about all I'm going to use is mist my hair because I don't want it wet because I don't have time for it to dry. This is an on-the-go hairstyle. So I missed it, and basically I'm just wanting it all to get a little bit of water on it so it's more pliable in the back. Taking my time to kind of pull apart because I don't want to damage my hair by ripping it apart. And you'll also see me feather my ends to get all the kinks out of it and kind of elongate it. I am going to use just a little bit of the Aussie Miracle Curls. This is the cream pudding. Really didn't use a lot because I already have some on there. And then I'm basically gonna, I don't want my roots to be puffy. So I know I need to make sure my roots lay a little straighter so it can be bouncy. So I'm going to start off like I'm braiding it, just so I can have some stretch to my roots. I will not be picking this out, so I know I need my roots stretched. I braid it down just a little tiny bit, and then I just do a really, really, really tight twist. I think I might put a curl at the end of this, since I don't want to wet it enough to make a ringlet curl. I'm going to do the same to this side. This is how much I'm using. Really not a lot. And I'm just going to kind of work it through my hair. Again, if I have knots or tangles because of what I've had in my hair and the shedded hair for the last 2 weeks, I stop. I work through those because I'm not going to rip it out. But, again, I'm braiding it nice and simple, just so my roots will not, that's enough. Just so my roots will have some bounce to it because I will not be picking it out. My hair is too dry and tangled to pick out, but I need to make it work. That's 2. I think I'm going to end up with probably 8. Touch my body.
I think I have not 8 or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 twists in my hair. They're damp but not wet. Like I said, only add a little bit of product to each one of them. Very little bit because I don't have all day for it to dry. It took me 4.5 minutes to put the twist in. Let me get that together. Okay, so now I have my golden hot dryer connected. I am going to put this on high heat. Let it blow. Okay, I've been under there for about 6 minutes, if that. I did add this band to it to hold all my hair up so it can fit inside of the cap. I feel like they're dry. This one right here is a little iffy. We'll open that one last. So, I feel like it's iffy though. Somehow or another, this one just a little bit more moist than the rest. But, like I said, we're moving forward. I'm literally putting about 5 or 6 drops of oil on my hands and my fingertips. And let's see if this worked. So basically, I'm going to take down each twist. I unravel the ends so that it's easy for me to take a loose. And right at the top where I braided, I use kind of those 3 parts as a base for my twist. I'm careful not to disturb the hair pattern, the curl pattern in it, and I move through the hair rather quickly. This is not a long process at all, but I'm just very careful to watch the ends, unravel, and move on to the next. The misting bottle is what I use, so my hair isn't that wet. It's I think it's moist on just this one twist here, but it worked out to my benefit. As you can see, I had a bit of a problem taking loose that one twist, and just because it was wet. I go back and I sort through the twists again, very easily, just pulling them apart. Careful not to disturb all of the curls because in the end I want curls. So I just continue to move forward and I'm fluffing and kind of just poofing it up. I want it to be a little fuller than what it looks right now. And I normally wear my part on the other side. If you can look right in the front of my head, there is one twist that I did not untwist, mainly because I wear my part on one side of the head, and on today I'm trying to do something different. It did not work out, y'all. I really just went ahead, and by the end of the night I changed the part to the normal side so that I can be comfortable, because my hair is fuller on one side than the other. So in the back, my hair is a lot thicker, and I can really manipulate those curls a lot more and get it to fluff just right. I can tell you that I used the melanin on my hair while I was at the beach when I did my top knot bun, and it really gave my hair some bounce. So I'm happy about that. And with all the products, I actually have no flakes. It is amazing. Right here, I'm going straight into that evening to see what I look like from there. It is about 1 o'clock in the morning, and I did my hair about 10 on yesterday morning, and my curls are still holding up. Love this already.